Welcome to the second video in our series on Microsoft Teams calls. The first video was an overview of making and receiving calls, as well as voicemail setup. The rest of the videos in this series will dive into the details of making Teams calls. This video will outline placing a call with Microsoft Teams chat and Outlook contacts. Everyone, including students and employees, have access to the Teams calling features in this video. It's recommended to use the desktop app instead of the web version of Teams, especially for calls. The web version is also available from the Microsoft Waffle menu. If using the web version, the first time in a call, you will need to allow permissions for the microphone and webcam to be used by the browser. The first way to place a call is to use Teams Chat. Click the Chat button, then click the New Chat button. Click and start typing a name into the to box. The list of names that appear will show both employees as well as students. Click the name to add them to the chat. In order for the call buttons to appear, click in the Type a New Message window. At the top of the window, there will be buttons to place a video or audio call. If the user has a CVTC phone number, there will also be a drop-down button showing the telephone number. Each of these buttons will start a Teams call within chat. To place a video call, click the Video button. A second window will open with options for the call. Video calls will start with the camera and microphone active and allow screen sharing. To place an audio call, click the Audio button. A second window will open with options for the call. The camera can be turned on or off and the microphone muted or unmuted while in the call. The More Meatball menu contains additional options for the call, such as changing the background, showing a dial pad, placing a call on hold, and transferring a call. If the camera or microphone need to be adjusted, click More, Settings, then Device Settings. Pick your microphone and camera from the list. To end an active call, click the Leave button. You can include more than one person in your call by adding more than one name to the chat message. The video or audio call will be placed to each person in the chat. It's possible to start a call to an individual from the search bar in Teams. Type a / and then the word call, and then a space. Find the individual and hit enter or click the send button. A call will be started and the call option window will be shown. Calls from Teams Chat are also available in the mobile app. Tap the new chat button or pick someone from the list. Tap the video or audio button to start the call. The camera can be turned on or off and the microphone muted from the buttons on the screen. Tap the Leave button to end the call. From an Outlook message, click the name of the person to pull up their details. Click the Call button to start an audio call, or the drop-down for the option to place a video call. Stop down to BEC32 or send us an email at edtech@cvtc.edu. Thanks and have a great week.